In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for project management. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to quickly set up a ready-made project management base and start tailoring it to your own work. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on the main home screen where your workspaces and bases live. This dashboard is your starting point for everything you'll build in Airtable, including project management setups. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Templates and Apps. This is usually near where you create new bases. Instead of building a project system from scratch, Airtable gives you a collection of templates that are pre-configured, which is perfect if you're just getting started or want something that works right away. Click into Templates and Apps and then navigate to the section for Project Management. This category is specifically designed to help you track tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities. Selecting project management will filter down the available templates to those focused on managing projects, so you don't have to sift through unrelated options. When you find the project management template that suits you, click on Try this template. This will open a preview of the base, showing you example tables, views, and fields. Even if the sample data doesn't match your work exactly, don't worry. You're really choosing the structure here, how tasks are organized, what fields are included, and how information is displayed. Next, Airtable will ask you which workspace you want to add this template to. Choose the workspace where you usually manage your projects or collaborate with your team. This helps keep everything organized and accessible to the right people. Once you've made your selection, click Create to confirm. After you click Create, give Airtable about 20 seconds to set everything up. It may feel a bit slow, but during this time, it's copying over all the views, fields, and example records. If it looks like nothing is happening, just be patient and avoid refreshing the page. Keep waiting until the new base fully loads. You'll know it's ready when you can see all the tables, like tasks or projects, along with their records and views. Once everything is loaded, you can start customizing the template to match your needs. Rename fields to match your workflow, delete sample records, and add your own tasks, deadlines, and team members. Adjust views like grid, calendar, or Kanban so you can see your project in the way that makes the most sense for you. From here on, this base becomes your central hub for tracking and managing all your projects in Airtable.